Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, okay? Like and comment. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my coconut jollof rice. So to make this jollof rice, I'll be using my carrots, my green pepper, my bay leaf, my spring onions. I have my coconut milk, my onions and garlic. I have here my pepper blended with my tomatoes, garlic and onions. Sorry, I didn't add garlic to this, just tomatoes, pepper and onions. And I have my chicken. Also, I have my rice here already washed. So guys, we'll start now by frying the chicken, okay? Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and do all that good stuff, right? So guys, I'll start by adding in my oil to my pot to fry the chicken. I'll allow this oil to heat up a little. So guys, I'm adding in onions just for some extra flavor, and I'll go in with my chicken now. I'm going to be using this same oil to cook my rice. So, guys, our chicken is fried now. I'll just remove it from the oil and then we start cooking. So guys, I'll go in now with my garlic and my onions. Then I'll add in my tomato mix. I'll go in with my bay leaf. I'll allow this to fry, then we'll come back. So guys, I'll go in with my thyme now. I'll stir this. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'll stir this now. I'll go in with my curry powder. I'll stir this. Add my salt now. Stir, cover and allow it to fry. Then come back. I'll allow it to fry. Then we'll come back. So guys, it's time for us to add in our rice. Our tomatoes have been boiling since. I will add in my rice now. It's already washed, parboiled and washed. I'm going to turn it. So guys, I will go in now with my coconut oil. I will stir. I will allow it to cook now. So guys, let's check on our rice. As you can see, the water is dried up. I'll add in my beef stock now. Go in with my carrots. I'll stir this around. So guys, I will cover, allow this to cook for like 5 minutes, then our rice is ready. Okay. So guys, our rice is ready. I'll now finish it up with my spring onions. If you've been watching my channel up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't even know what the problem is. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe, like, comment, alright? Thank you for watching. Till I see you next time. Bye.